Little Lion's Bible. God's wonderful work. Genesis chapter 1 and 2. God shaped the earth, turned on the light, and separated day from night. He dried the land and dug deep seas, and planted flowers, grass, and trees. He hung the sun and moon up high, made fish that swim and birds that fly. He created creatures big and small. Give thanks to God, who made us all. God's friend Noah, Genesis chapter 6 through 8. In a time when folks were bad, only Noah made God glad. God said, "Noah, build a ship, pack a zoo, and take a trip." God made it rain for 40 days. Still, Noah always gave God praise. No more floods, that's big, God vowed, and wrote his promise cloud to cloud. Baby Moses in a boat. Exodus chapter 1 and 2. Moses in a basket boat, by his mama set afloat, hiding him from someone mean. In the marsh grass, tall and green, a princess at the river's side found the basket. Moses cried. So she raised him as her own and kept him safe till he was grown. David fights a giant. 1 Samuel chapter 17. "Come and fight," Goliath roared. He shook his spear and swung his sword. The soldiers all ran off afraid. Just the young boy David stayed. He knew the Lord was on his side. He slung a stone, the giant died. It doesn't matter, sword or stone, the war was won with the Lord alone. Daniel in the lion's den. Daniel chapter 6. Bad man tricked the king to say it was against the law to pray. Still Daniel prayed. So those men threw him in the lion's den. God's angel guarded him all night and kept him safe till morning's light, which pleased the king and made him say, "To Daniel's God we all should pray." Jonah learns a lesson. Jonah chapter 1 and 3. "Jonah, go and preach," God said. But Jonah sailed away instead. God sent a storm to Jonah's ship, and Jonah took an ocean dip. A fish ate Jonah in one slurp. He landed in the big fish burp. Jonah preached, his lesson learned, and many hearts to God were turned. God's greatest gift. Matthew chapter 1 verses 18 through 24. Luke chapter 2 verses 1 through 7. Jesus did not wear a crown when from heaven he came down. Born where sheep and cows were kept, in their feed box Jesus slept. Why would the ruler of all things, God's only Son and Kings of Kings, come to earth from heaven above? He came so we would know God's love. A prayer. Matthew chapter 6 verses 9 through 13. Greatest Father God above, you are perfect, full of love. Help me live my life your way. Give me what I need today. Please forgive me when I'm bad. Teach me how to make you glad. Give me strength to do what's right. Keep me safe both day and night. It's a miracle. John chapter 6 verses 1 through 13. Where Jesus went, the people came to have him heal the sick and lame. They stayed until the day grew late. But who could feed a crowd so great? A young boy gave the food he brought, some fish and bread, though not a lot. Jesus blessed both fish and bread, and all the people there were fed. Jesus opens heaven's doors. Luke chapter 23, verses 44. Luke chapter 24, verses 8. Jesus loved with arms out wide. When on the cross, he hung and died. He was buried in a cave. 3 days later, at the grave, angels told his friends, "Don't fear. Jesus lives. He isn't here." Then Christ opened heaven's door where he lives forevermore. The end.